Hello, everybody. This is Dee from Deescutencrafty, and I am back with 4 more Christmas decor pieces for you today. I am doing something really simple. I'm just going to do some freehand drawing on paper and transfer it to these 3 little white houses that I pulled out of my stash. And I already painted them white and then roughed it up. You know how I like to do. I sanded everything down. And now you'll see me showing you the things I'm going to use, as always, my gilding wax from Dixie Belle, and these are the images that I freehanded onto paper. I deposited a lot of pencil lead on the back so that I can lay it down and just trace over it and get the image onto the house. I did it that way because I didn't trust myself to actually freehand it on the house, and I knew if I put it on paper, I could erase anything I messed up. So that's why I did it. Now that I have my images transferred, I am taking my gilding wax, you guys, and I'm just taking whatever I can to get these little stars at the top. You saw me using my awl to do that. I should have used a brush, but it's okay. Then I'm just going to go around the edges with some of that gilding wax. And then I'll go back in with my Hello Hobby marker and I will fill in the wording. One is, O holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. The other one is, unto us a child is born, unto us a king is given. And then the last one is the manger scene with Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. There we go, you guys. Moving on to DIY number 2, I'm going to be using this wallpaper Main Street Creation peel and stick panel. I'm going to be using a bag from Dollar Tree. Those panels also came from Dollar Tree, except I'll be using the shiny part of the bag. I'll use the image on the opposite side. I have these snowflakes from Walmart, this silver ribbon from, I think, Dollar Tree, and the buffalo check ribbons from Dollar Tree, and then that white ribbon, I'm not sure where it came from. You're going to need a long piece of cardboard and some scrap cardboard to trace out your letters from the bag. So first I'm going to start out by just covering the cardboard, the long piece in front of us, with the panel. And we're going to make a long decor piece. It's going to be a Noel sign. It comes out so pretty. And is this my favorite of the 4? It is not. If you want to know which one my favorite is, you're going to have to keep watching. As always, comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite of the 4 that I'm bringing you today. So I'm just getting this cardboard covered, matching up the pieces, hot gluing it where I need it. You guys, I've been having so many technical difficulties. If you read my post, you know I lost my footage from my last video. Um, so there will not be a individual reveal between each project. I don't have enough room. I'm still, having problems. So anyway, I took a piece of cardboard and I cut out the letters that match the letters from the bag so that I can place them on the cardboard, just to make them a little bit more sturdy. And now I'm going to take my letters and place them on my long sign, putting the snowflakes in between. I'm going to use a tumbling tower block, or a couple of blocks actually per letter, so I can lift them off of the board, just for a little more dimension, just giving it a better look. I just want it to pop a little bit. I love how this sign turned out. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to hang it in my kitchen. So we're just going to hot glue the little snowflakes in between each letter. I thought that added a really cute touch. I like it. I really do like this sign, but still not my favorite. So I took those 3 ribbons, the very thin ribbon that I showed you, and I just made a bow. I made a bow in all 3 colors and just put them all together. Put a hanger on the back and it's done. Moving on to DIY number 3, and this one is my favorite of the 4 that I'm going to show you today. I carved out a bell with some Dollar Tree MDF. I'll be using my Dixie Belle Barn Red, some fabric from my stash, some evergreen from Joann's, and twine from Walmart, and my Waverly White chalk paint, and my same Merry Christmas and Green Grow Grain that I've been using in quite a few of my DIYs. So I'm going to start out by painting my bell in the Barn Red. Then I'm going to go in with my Dixie Belle and fluff. I changed my mind about using the Waverly White, and I thought I'd go ahead and use the fluff. So we're just going to do a little bit of dry brushing, not too much. I just wanted a little bit of texture and dimension, so that's why I did it. And this turned out so pretty. It's going to be on my Christmas tree with all the other DIYs I've been making, and I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. So well, not this, my tree. I can't wait to see how my tree is going to turn out. So I took some of the evergreen and just cut 2 pieces, and I'm just laying that up there. And right now we're going to make a messy bow. And you guys, I'm going to cut my Grow Grain ribbon down the middle because I want it a little bit thinner. And I will be using my Re-Ideal electric arc lighter. Yes, electric arc lighter. I had to think about that. This is so very sleek in design. I love the rose gold of it. I love the fact that it's USB rechargeable and I never have to buy another lighter. And I just love it. And I hope you guys will check out the link in the description box for a discount if you want to get one for yourself. Thank you, Re-Idea. So here you see me making a messy bow, tying it with my jute twine. I'm going to trim it up a little bit. And I'm just going to add that greenery to the messy bow using the twine to tie it in place before I glue it to the bell. By the time I got this done and had it all covered up, you couldn't tell it was a bell. It just looked like an ornament, but it is still so pretty in Farmhouse to me. And in the reveal at the end, you'll see I added a couple of things to it. We'll talk about it then. But this is my favorite. Just putting the jute through the hole, and it's done. Moving on to DIY number 4 and the last one for this video, I again am using my MDF to make the shapes that I want. I've got one of the Dollar Tree infinity scarves and I just cut it apart. One side is black and one side is buffalo check, so I cut it apart so I could just use the buffalo check. I'll be using my little snowball garland, and I will be using some of the styrofoam silver snowflakes and the buffalo check ribbon. So here you see me working away at getting this mitten trimmed out. We're going to make 2 mittens and we're going to make a hat. I just thought this was the cutest thing, and I've done mittens on my channel before. And I don't know if I think I've done mittens with the MDF before. I know I've done them with cardboard. So just trimming it out and nipping away at it. And now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and trim it even closer. Being very careful. Don't want to lose a finger on this one. Then I'll take my sander and just smooth it out. I had a subscriber ask me, how do I get my MDF board cut? So that's why I thought I'd leave this in and show you guys. So now I'm going to take that infinity scarf, the fabric from that, and trim out my glove. I have one of the car towels, and I'm going to use that for fur at the top, and also for fur on the little hat that we're going to make. We're going to make a set. And yes, these are going to be ornaments on my tree. So getting everything glued down, trimming away the excess, and now I'm going to add my snowball garland or ribbon or whatever we're calling this snowball stuff. We're going to add it to the glove. I thought it was such a cute touch. I love it. Now I'm going to take my buffalo check black and white ribbon and make a bow for each mitten. Glove, mitten. Oh my gosh. Gloves have fingers. Mitten just has a thumb. I know the difference. I just keep saying gloves. It's been a long day, you guys, and I'm so frustrated really with my device because I'm having so much trouble with the filming all of a sudden. It's just I've got too much on it on my device. I got to get some things off. So I added the ribbon and I added the snowflake, and it is so cute. I took some more MDF and I made this little half circle. We're going to make a little beanie hat. I'm taking that infinity scarf once again and I'm gluing it down. I have these big old snowballs from Dollar Tree, 8 in a pack. So we're going to use that to make his little snowball on his hat. I just took my X-Acto knife and cut down the middle so that I can add some glue down in the middle and adhere it to the top of his hat or the hat. And this would be cute for Frosty now that I'm thinking about it. And I'm just going to add some more of that fluffy white car towel material and another bow and snowflake so that the set is complete. I think this is adorable. So here is the final reveal, you guys. I hope you love the 4 DIYs that I have created for you today. I'm sorry everything just went so fast and there's no, reveal in between. But again, I need a whole new filming setup. But it's too close to Christmas for that, so we're going to make it work. But anyway, I am just so happy you guys stopped by. I hope you had a beautiful, blessed Thanksgiving. And comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite of the 4. If you made it to this far in the video, give me a mitten. That lets me know you hung out with me today. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my content and you'd like to see more. They push me out a little bit more and they share it out with other viewers, and it makes my channel grow. And I'm so happy about that, you guys. It's just amazing, this journey that I'm on. Thank you for coming along with me. As always, you guys, be blessed, stay safe, and craft something beautiful today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.